Hello everyone and welcome to another video tutorial. In this video we are going to talk about and also customize the WordPress look or the appearance of our website. So I've already logged into the admin panel area and you can see that there is a tab appearance and there are some child tabs in the appearance like theme, customize, widgets, menu and etc. So let's go to theme. Okay, by default you will see that there are three themes in your theme directory. If you want to activate the theme other than the 2014, all you need to do is click this activate button here. If you hover to any theme, you will see that the activate button will come up. So right now the 2014 is activated, as you can see by visiting to our home page. Yep. So let's go ahead and activate the 2013 theme. Click activate. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, our theme is changed and now it's 2013. So now to install a new theme through the WordPress library, all you need to do is click this add new button here. Click add new. And you can find that there are some settings like the color, black, blue, purple, dark, yellow or any other color, the column, the layout and the feature. So if you want to find your desired theme, like you want a brown theme with 2 column and fixed layout, all you need to do is select the option and click find themes. So you can see that all the themes came up are their basic color is brown with 2 columns and fixed layout. And you can also see that there are more categories like recent updated themes, the newest themes and the featured theme. If you want to check out the featured theme in the WordPress library, you can click this and see that there are some featured theme in the WordPress library. And to install a theme, all you need to do is you can see that there are 3 options: the detail, the preview and the install now. If you want to install this theme, click this install now button. If you want to check the preview of this theme before installing, let me open it in a new tab and show you how the theme is looking. Okay, this is the theme preview of the theme. Yeah, so if you found this useful or according to your need, all you need to do is just click this install now and the rest will WordPress do for you. Like it will download the theme, it will install it to your WordPress theme directory, and after installing the theme you will see that there are 3 options: to take a live preview, to activate and return to theme installer. If you click this live preview, you can check how this theme will look on our website without activating. Okay, this is our website. Here is our title, the tagline and the pages we made, and right now there is no recent post. So this theme will look like something like this on our website if you activate this theme. So I'm going to just go to the themes and see. Now there are 4 themes, but I'm not going to activate this theme. I have my custom theme, which is Genesis, and it's the most popular theme in WordPress. So to install a manual theme, click this add new again. And now here's the option to upload manual theme. Okay, click this upload button. And it will ask you to browse the content or the theme. Select the theme, open up and click the install now. Okay, the theme is installed. Same the 3 options: live preview, activate or return to theme page. So I'm going to just activate this theme. Alright, so Genesis is our current theme, and if I reload this page, you can see how the Genesis looks. Okay, this is a simple theme and it is very useful in terms of SEO, and search engine also loves this theme because it's not very messy and there are not this is a good theme. I recommend you, if you can buy this theme, you go to Genesis theme framework. Okay, Now there is a customize option here after the theme. Click on the customize, and we already customized the theme. Like you can see that there is a static front page and the site title and the tagline. So we already did in the setting of the WordPress, so there is no need to customize this theme. Let's click widgets. And now there are 6 widget area. The header right, so this is the area of the header widget. The footer 1 to 3 is footer 1, footer 2 and footer 3 widget. The primary sidebar and the secondary sidebar is something here. To customize this thing, if I put the pages on the header, and if I refresh or reload, you can see that the pages are appearing in the header of this theme, and they are already set up, but you can see that the footer 1 and footer 2, the footer widget 1 and 2, pages and meta is appearing, but the calendar is not appearing due to the theme is customized. If I go to a page, let's say about us, you can see that calendar is appearing. So we can customize this thing, the look of our website on the index page as well as on the pages or on the content by going to the Genesis theme setting. Okay, you can choose your desired lookup. Like I have choose right now, this is the simple full width content. If you want to sidebar content in the left and right, you can choose this one. If you want to appear the sidebar as both on the left side or both on the right side, or this is for the left side and this is for the right side. You can play with the setting of this theme or any theme. And let me close this and this. Let's go to widgets. Okay, we talked about the widgets. The menu. Okay, menu is something that will appear on the header here. Let me create a menu. Name here okay, so I created a menu name pre, and now we can add items like the pages. Add to menu. Okay, and we can also change the order like this, and click save menu. Okay, now if I refresh or reload, oops, wait, something went wrong. Okay, location. We need to assign the location for our menu. Okay, we can assign the location as the header of our website or here in the footer. Okay, so primary navigation menu, pre, and save changes. So the primary navigation menu is the top of our website, this thing here, and the secondary navigation menu is something here on the footer. Now, as I have saved the settings, so let me reload the page, and you can see that the About Us page and the privacy policy is appearing right here in the middle of our, it's not middle, it's the header. When we post our content, you can see that this space will be enough long to make this area as the header. Okay, so let's go to editor, and now if you want to customize, or if you want to customize the core code of your theme, like the style sheet or any other functions like framework or main index or header or theme functions. You can customize this by going to editor, but it's something that is very advanced for the beginner. So we will discuss later on how to customize the WordPress theme according to our settings or according to our needs. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.